Hi, I'm Mikah, and welcome to day 2 of our 5-day yoga habit challenge. Today, we will start in child's pose. So widen your knees, hips to heels, and extend your arms out long on the mat. Melt your forehead down towards the mat, and take 3 big breaths into the backside of your body. Just noticing the connection of your palms to the mat, your shins, and tuning into your breath. When you finish your 3 breaths, draw yourself up to hands and knees, setting up for tabletop. As always, take your time and pad your knees with a blanket if you like. Moving through our cat-cow, inhale, drop the belly, open the heart, gaze upward, and exhale, round your spine, release your gaze down. Inhale, open. And exhale, round as you press away from the yoga mat. Inhale, fluidly moving back and forth. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale, neutral spine. Go ahead and sit back into child's pose, and we'll start a little flow here. We'll do it several times, so give yourself a minute to catch on. From child's pose, stand up on your knees, sweep the arms up to the sky, and send the hips forward, lifting the heart into a light back bend. From here, come down back into child's pose with control. Good. On your next breath in, draw forward to hands and knees, tabletop, and open the heart into your cow. Tuck the toes now and send your hips up to downward facing dog. And don't get too comfortable, we won't be here long. Release your knees back down to the mat. Open the heart, breathe in, and breathe out as you sit back into your child's pose. So that is one round. We'll do that several times, connecting with our breath. Inhale as you stand up on your knees, sweep your arms up to the sky and send your hips forward. Exhale as you come back down with control into child's pose. Inhale as you pull forward and open the heart. Exhale as you tuck your toes and send your hips up to downward facing dog. Inhale as you release your knees down, open the chest. And exhale, child's pose. Good. Again, inhale. Sweep your arms up, back bend. Exhale, down into child's pose. Inhale, pull forward, tabletop with an open heart. Tuck your toes, exhale, downward facing dog. Release the knees down, open the heart, inhale. And exhale into child's pose. One more time, rise up, take your back bend. Exhale, settle into child's pose. Inhale, pull forward and open the heart. And exhale, downward facing dog. Okay, now from here, we're gonna hold, settle into our downward facing dog. How does it feel today? Maybe pedal out your feet. And then rise up high on your toes, bend your knees, gaze to your hands, and take as many steps as it takes to walk up to a forward fold. Releasing your head and widening the space between your feet, reaching for opposite elbows into ragdoll. Generous bend in the knees, and then begin to sway side to side, shifting your weight from one foot to the other. Letting all tension go from your neck. And release your hands down to the mat. Bend the knees, press your feet down to roll all the way up to stand. Letting your head hang until the last minute. Just feel that spine lengthen up as you stand in Tadasana, mountain pose. Palms open. Toe heel your feet in to where they are, right under your hips. Lift your heart. Feel the shoulder blades just gently drawing down your back. And once again, there's that sensation of the crown of your head trying to press the ceiling up. Connect with your breath here. And then open your eyes if they're closed. Draw your palms to your heart and simply step your left foot back behind you into Warrior One. So Warrior One, both feet are planted. The back foot's at a slight angle. It's like the toes are going towards the top corner of the yoga mat. Your front foot is planted straight ahead. Deep bend to the front knee, lifted chest, not leaning forward. Good. And then reach your arms up by your ears. Actively press your feet down. Take a breath in here. And as you breathe out, straighten the front leg, hinge forward from your hips, and come down into just a flat back with airplane arms. So arms by your side with the back of the hands up towards the ceiling. That is going to engage your back muscles a little bit. Okay, and then inhale, bend your knees, sweep the arms back up. Exhale, straighten and come down. Inhale, bend and rise. Exhale, straighten and come down. And this time we'll hold. You can release your hands down to the mat, to your leg, to a block. Whatever feels good to you, and just hold this stretch. If you'd like to fully release over the leg, you can. Check in that you're breathing steadily in and out your nose. And then option, left fingertips down on the block or the mat. Right arm stretches up to the sky. Right shoulder moves back. Take a breath in here. And exhale as the hand comes back down. Bend the knee and sweep the arms back up to your Warrior One. Good. Palms together, down to your heart, and step forward. And we'll step right back into our other side. So the right foot is back at a slight angle. Both feet are planted. Chest is lifted. Arms reach up by the ears. Breathe in. Breathe out as you come down into your airplane arms, hinging from the hips. Straighten the front leg. Inhale, bend and rise. Exhale, straighten and come down. Inhale, bend and rise. And this time we'll hold. Come on down, straighten the front leg, and then release your hands down to either your leg, the mat, the block, if you have one. It's optional. I love a good yoga block though. Even though we're in this forward fold, our feet are still actively pressing down into the mat. Good, and then right fingertips come down, left arm stretches up for a twist. Take a breath in here. Breath out as the hand comes down. Now this time, we're gonna step back to a plank. So palms plant, step back, shift around until you're in a plank. You can always have your knees down. Good, hold and build heat. And then lower yourself all the way down with control, elbows in towards your body. Good. Our baby Cobra, just one today. Palms plant under the shoulders, shoulder blades draw together. Inhale, peel up. Hold for just a breath or two, drawing the low abdomen in. And then on your next exhale, release down, press yourself up. Bring your feet around in front of you to a seat for a seated Shavasana, a seated rest. If you'd prefer to take a Shavasana on your back, please feel free. Bring one hand to your heart, collarbone area, one hand to your low belly. Let your eyes soften and just reconnect with your breath. Notice how you feel. And this is where I'll leave you. I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Thank you for joining me. Namaste. If you love doing yoga, but you struggle with consistency and making it a regular part of your daily life, well, this class is actually part of a free 5-day yoga series called the Yoga Habit Challenge. And if you want to join us for the full experience, including daily mindset and habit tips delivered straight to your inbox, then make sure you sign up to join us for free at yogahabitchallenge.com. I'll see you inside.